Hello and Assalamu alaikum, peace and blessings. It's me, Sabeena, and this is my message for the World Fair Trade Organization. Happy World Fair Trade Day 2022. Hashtag Let's Do It Fair and hashtag Climate Justice. I would like to take this opportunity to congratulate all fair trade organizations, fair trade producers, fair trade retailers, fair trade ladies, fair trade gentlemen, fair trade individuals, fair trade supporters and fair trade friends around the world. I hope you have a wonderful World Fair Trade Day 2022. If you'd like to be part of fair trade, then please click on the link below, which will take you to the World Fair Trade Organization. If you are a business, a school, university, a charity, a mosque, please don't hesitate to support fair trade farmers, fair trade producers, fair trade artisans, and become an active campaigner like myself. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to recording another video for World Fair Trade Day next year. Peace and blessings. Bye for now. Wa alaikum assalam.